ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸೋಲ್ಮೆಲು ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೇಲೆ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮನೆ ಕೆಲಸ March 14, 2024 Class 6 Thursday. Note, please practice and record video about numbers and colors. Submit the video in Flip app under your group. In English, number 1, my name is Siri. I like playing in water during rainy season. Number 2, United States flag has 3 colors. They are red, white and blue. Number 3, Tulu language is more than 2000 years old. Number 4, this time Bisu festival of Tulu New Year is on April 15th. Okay, its translation in Tulu. Uninu Tulu to enchapanpuno. Suruta onji number 1. Enna pudaru Siri. Enku Mariyalada purtudu ನೀರುಡು ಗೊಬ್ಬರ ಇಷ್ಟ. Number 2, ಅಮೆರಿಕದ ಧ್ವಜಟ್ ಮೂಜಿ ಬಣ್ಣ ಉಂಡು. ಅವು ಕೆಂಪು, ಬುಲ್ದು ಬೊಕ್ಕ ನೀಲಿ. ಮೂಜಿನೆದ ತುಳು ಭಾಷೆ 2000 ವರ್ಷೊಡ್ದುಲ ದುಂಬುದ. ಓಕೆ. Number 4, ಈ ಸರ್ತಿದ ತುಳು ಹೊಸ ವರ್ಷ ಬಿಸು ಪರ್ಬ ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ 15 ದಾನಿ ಆಪುಂಡು. Here are the new words and their pronunciation and meaning. Okay. Name Pudar. Rainy season Mariyala. Water Neer. Play Gobbunu. Flag Dwaja. Color Banna. Old Parat Pirakada Dumbuda. Language Bashe. Bisu. Year Varsa. New Posa. Festival Parba. Please practice and submit the homework and you have a great day. Nikhilna Dina Edde Award.
America Tulu Association